Sandisk Extreme Pro 240 gigabytes, external USB 3 SSD. This drive was snacked on by a hairy beast. Apparently the beast didn't like the taste, so didn't finish it. But the device is no longer recognized, and we have to figure out how to pull the data from this. So we're gonna take it apart and see what's inside, if there's any damages to the boards or chips or anything unusual here at the snack area. Cable was chewed onto, so this isn't the worst snacked on hard drive we've seen, to be honest with you. We did see different ones that were bitten on, and honestly the worst ones were the ones that got eaten by rabbits. Believe it or not, rabbits like external hard drives. So let's get this thing popped open. This rubber piece is coming off already, so we're gonna just keep pulling it off. So this is where the cable gets connected. There's gotta be a screw here. So we're gonna get this rubber band off as well. Apparently the screws are underneath. See, there's one more or two more. So those are the small Phillips screws. Let's get them off. Comes up really easily. So it was chewed on this side over here, which is good. Storage is over here. This is just a bridge board. So let's zoom in and see what's up. Sorry for shaking, I'm trying to zoom in really well and auto zoom automatically. Sandisk chips, which is obvious. Sandisk always use Sandisk chips, or sometimes I've seen, I think, Micron chips. Alright, let's get the boards unscrewed. Also Phillips screws. A little smaller, but we can use the same screwdriver. Let's get these. Interesting. No visible damage, but for some reason it's not seen by the host PC. So we're gonna figure it out. This is the area where it was chewed on. I suspect what may have happened is when they chewed on, the chips may somewhere else just popped off from the PCB because of the bending force. I mean, it looks pretty straight, but we don't know if it was bent when it was chewed on, which could be the case. So we would need to reflow if needed. And if any pads are torn off, then we're gonna transplant the chips to a working drive with the same model and the same controller and all the same stuff. Now let's zoom in. I'm sorry, I can't see it. I'm gonna use the scope for a second, come back. So the chip is a Media ASM 1153E. It's a USB bridge. looks like SMC for the main controller chip. Let me sneak peek through the microscope again. I'll be back in a sec. So it is SMC, I think it's 2245 XT or 43 XT. It's basically a SATA SSD. Okay, we're gonna figure it out one way or the other. At least we know chips are intact. Yeah, if you need anything in terms of data recovery, you're welcome to send us a message through the website cubicsdatarecovery.info or give us a call 720-319-7239. Thanks.